Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're talking about a whole new way to build chat apps.
But first, a quick question. Who really owns your private messages? Do you ever think about it?
To get where we're going, we've got to look at how things are normally done, the old way.
Most apps run on a massive company backend that controls your identity, your data, everything.
But what if we could just flip that whole model completely on its head?
That's where this user-centric shift comes in. Your identity is no longer just a record they hold.
Think of it like this. Your data is in a secure wallet you own, not some company vault.
And you can see the difference right here. The complex backend is gone, replaced by things you control.
So, how does this actually work? Well, it's a lot simpler than you might think.
It all boils down to 3 simple steps, and you manage every single one of them. You create a chat persona, which is just a disposable alias you can nuke anytime you want.
Okay, but what about instant messages? How do you get that without a massive, always-on server?
The secret is a surprisingly simple tool called a webhook. It's basically just an automatic ping.
So when a new message is saved, a webhook just tells the app, hey, go get the update. All right, so why does this all matter? Well, the payoff for this sovereign model is huge. For you, the user, it means true data ownership and the power to instantly erase your history.
And for developers, they don't have to manage databases. They can just focus on building cool stuff. What's really cool is the tech behind it. Each core feature just maps to one simple API call. So the app just becomes a simple, secure interface to your own digital life. That's the goal.
Which leaves us with a final thought. What could the web look like if our identities powered it?